Haitian legumes is one of the most delicious Haitian dish. Welcome to MIST Food with another video. Hello guys, how you doing? Let's go to the grocery store with me today. We're gonna buy the basic ingredients that we need to make this delicious dish. So this dish is, as you already know guys, it's Haitian legume. So this is what we need to make this dish. So now I'm gonna start by preparing the legume, and this is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the full recipe. Hope to see you in the next video.